How to add a coupon code on Amazon 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a coupon code on Amazon and save money on your orders. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 1. Choose your product. Search for the item you want to buy. Tap on the product and then click Add to Cart or Buy Now. Step 2. Go to Checkout. Now go to your cart and tap on Proceed to Checkout. Step 3. Enter coupon code. On the checkout page, look for the option that says Add a gift card or promo code. Tap on it. Now enter your coupon code carefully. Then tap Apply. Step 4. Verify discount. Make sure the code is valid and applied successfully. Bonus tip. Some products have automatic coupons. Just tap on Apply Coupon on the product page before adding to cart. Weighty important notes. Coupon codes may have expiration dates. Some codes only work on selected items, and you usually can't combine multiple promo codes. And that's it. That's how you can add and use coupon codes on Amazon easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!